Hello, it's Mike. If you need to password protect your document, this is how you do it. So first off, open your document, go to File, Info, Protect Document, and encrypt with password. Then just add your password, click OK, and that'll add a password to the document. Just confirm it. And let's just test this. And there we go. It's asking for a password to access the document, so if we just type that in, and there we go, it displays the document for you. Hope you found this video helpful. Give it a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.